Today is Sunday, March 21st, 2021, and my goal for today is to clean up this bomb of a living room I have from all these packages and shopping that I did over the last 2 weeks. So let's go first. First is a Stitch Fix Shop Your Looks item, okay? It is a color block cardigan, or maybe striped you call it versus color block. It is extremely soft. It was, I believe, $46, and it is by Love Ellie, the paint and double pocket long sleeve cardigan, and they're calling this coral, size extra small. It's 79% rayon, 21% polyester, and you can machine wash, cold, gentle cycle. All right, so I actually saw this on West Coast Weeks channel a long time ago, and I've been requesting it from my stylist forever. And out of nowhere, it popped up in Shop Your Looks, so I ordered it. Got it in yesterday's mail, so excited, pull it out, and then I kind of look here at the back shoulder, all right? Look at the way this is. It almost looks like the seam is coming apart. I don't know if you guys can see that or if it's picking up. It's like almost like a hole in the fabric, like a run. You know, so and it's not all the way down, so it's not like that's the way it's supposed to be made. So you see up here, it's fine. And then when it gets down here, it's like a run. So I already returned this and exchanged this for another one, so that should be coming to me soon, but I will try this one on for you. And the strange thing is it really isn't really, it's a little bit on the other side, but not nearly as much on the other side. You have to like really pull it apart. So the other side is fine. It was just this one side that it like came apart, like I guess the threading. So I will be getting replacements for this, but in the meantime, I would like to try it on. This, you know, I'm a cardigan person. I love cardigans. Always cold. I need to put something on me. Nothing like this in my wardrobe. I don't have any kind of stripes or anything. All right, so I thought this was something fun and different. Next up, also from Stitch Fix Shop Your Looks. I have been dying for this top for probably 2 years now. I've seen it floating around, and I've been asking over and over and over again from my stylist for it. Never got it. This is the Camilla Scalloped detail button blouse in indigo, size extra small. So it's a navy blue, okay? It's adorable. It's got the scalloped neckline. It has buttons down the front. It has scalloping around the sleeves. And it feels like it's a cotton spandex mix. Let's see. It is machine wash cold, tumble dry low, 62% cotton, 35% nylon, 3% spandex. So this is absolutely adorable. Love it. I've been wanting it forever. But there's a lot that can go wrong with fit issues for me. One, it could be too tight across the bust. That is very quite possible. The second one, it could be too big in the armholes. I'll have to try it on and see. But if this fits, this is a keeper. I think it's adorable. I've been wanting it for a long time. Look at the neckline on it. It's all like scalloped, but yet it's a V-neck. I love it. All right, something I've been wanting for a while. Oh, and I forgot to mention it's a 2-pocket cardigan, so it has the front pockets in the front of the cardigan, because I know lots of people love their pockets. All right, next up, Nordstrom rack. All right. I had, or I still have, they're in the pile to donate, a pair of jeans, mint green jeans. And I love them, but I slop them up. I eat like 2 cups of roasted peppers every day, and I love them to death, my roasted peppers, but they stain. And I drop them on my mint green jeans, and I cannot get that stain out. And it's so faint that you guys be like, oh, you can't even see it. Well, you know, I can see it, and I notice it, and then I don't feel good, and I feel like I'm wearing sloppy, stained clothes. So I got this replacement pair. These are from Nordstrom Rack. They're the Sam Edelman Stiletto High-Rise Skinny. I don't even know what I paid for these. Let's see. Do they even have the price on this? I don't remember what the heck I paid for them. They weren't that much. They weren't that much. If I can find them, I'll link them. I will. All right. I got them in a size 25, and my initial thinking of seeing these is these look small. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get these over my hips. And not only do they look small, they look ultra high rise. So I'm really hoping these work out for me, because finding mint green jeans is not an easy feat. They're, especially the color I'm looking for. So this is perfect. And you're going to like, Carolyn, why do you need mint green jeans? Those only got all these cute things that goes with them. All right, and including, I'm going to be wearing this together. I love navy blue and mint green. I think it's a great combination. So now while I was ordering from Nordstrom Rack the mint green jeans, I'm like, well, I just can't get the jeans. I gotta get something else. And I came across this pair of Vigoss jeans. And as you know, I'm now like sort of addicted to Vigos. And when I saw these, I thought they were the same ones that came in my Wantable. So, okay, these were $36.97 per the tag on here, and that sounds about right what I paid for them. And I think I paid like 40 bucks or something for the mint green ones. So these are the Vigoss Frankie Slim Straight. Now, I had thought they had button fly, because that was the name that was given to the ones that I tried on from Wantable that I returned and regret returning. But these do not. These are just a regular zipper fly. They're fairly heavily distressed, and they're a straight leg, all right? So it's not like, at least it looks like a straight leg, right? It's called the Slim Straight. So I guess it's probably cross between a straight and a skinny, and what people are calling the modern skinny now, because it's like a little bit looser around the ankle, not skin tight. They do have some good stretch to them. I seem to like Vigoss jeans. I'm obsessed with them. I will try them on and see how they fit, and maybe a return to Nordstrom Rack for me is in order. Okay, next up, I watch a lot of YouTube channels, a lot. And one of the people that I watch is Heather Anderson from It's So Heather. Now let me tell you about a lot of these channels I watch. I watch them because I pick and choose things from everybody's style. I like watching, I love fashion, I always love clothes. So when I see something on someone, I'm like, ooh, I like that, I'll get it. I don't particularly follow anyone's style. I don't copy any one person and be like, I have to be like her. I love her style, I need to be like her. And I don't. I mean, there's bits and pieces from everyone, from a small YouTuber to the largest YouTuber out there that I pick pieces from. So I don't mimic anyone's style. It's not like such and such says, oh, they get this and I have to go out and get it, because that is not me at all. I have my own taste and I like what I like, and when I see something somebody else has, I want it, you know? So she's demonstrating of this pair of shoes that she got from Express. They're by Dolce Vita, and she's put a link in, and they're $135. They're another pair of mules. So the last pair of mules she recommended. Look at the heel on this. I love this little thin heel, okay? There's a size 7. She advertised them on Express, and they were $135. And what ended up happening was they ran out of my size at Express. So I was like debating, do I get the 6.5? Do I try a 7.5? They didn't have a 7. So I said, let me go over to the Dolce Vita site. So I went over to the Dolce Vita site to see if they have a 7. Not only did Dolce Vita have a 7, but they were on sale for 60 bucks. So I was like, score! I was like half off. So I'm pretty excited about these. I will try them on. They're a very neutral snake print shoe. I'll probably try them on with the mint green jeans just to save some time, because like I said, I got to clean up my house. I got things I got to do today. So I will probably just demonstrate them with the mint green jean outfit, but it's not something I would fashion together. Okay? So, very excited. Certainly hope they fit because they are cute. All right, next up, I happen to hit DSW. Now, I live in New Jersey where shopping is prevalent. There's a shopping center every 10 feet. And the place where I live in New Jersey, I'm like a mile within a shopping center that has the Staples, where it has a UPS where I could do my drop-off. So literally a mile from my house, I could do UPS drop-off. Plus they have, you know, a DSW, a Michael's, you know, it's a big shopping center. So I went to the DSW because it's right by my house one weekend, which can be dangerous. And I was looking specifically for flip-flops, black ones, all right? So the first pair I got is by Dolce Vita. How do you like that? And they're just a plain black flip-flop. Let's see if I can find my receipt here. So these were $34.99. Okay, so they're just plain. They got an ever so slight heel. They have a slight padding on them. I think it's kind of a lot for something like this, and they are a little bit even plainer than what I was hoping for. I mean, I'm looking for fairly plain flip-flops, but these are really plain. But let me try them on, see how comfortable they are, and I may keep them. And if I don't, I gotta run to DSW today. Then the next pair are by Franco Sarto. And these were $49.99, which I think is a real lot for flip-flops, right? These look a lot more substantial and more comfortable. They got the rubber sole here on the bottom. They're brown on the inside, but the straps on top are black and almost like a fake reptile embossed, okay? These feel very soft and squishy, very comfortable. And oh, I did not realize this when I bought this. It's not just a flip-flop like a thing. My big toe goes through here. So I'm not so sure I'm gonna like that. I usually just like flip-flops where it just has the thong like there and that's it. I didn't even realize it's where my toe goes through. So I will give these a try and see how I like them. I'm probably only gonna keep one of them. So I will let you know. As a matter of fact, I think what I'll do is I'll try on all 3 pairs of shoes for you first, get those out of the way, and then I'll try on the mint green jeans and the blue top. So give me a minute. Okay, first up are the Dolce Vita flip-flops. They're not very substantial, they're very casual, they're very plain with a plain, simple strap, but they are comfortable and they kind of do suit the purpose I was looking for, which is just to have, you know, a simple basic black flip-flop that I could just throw on during the summer with. So it's a typical thong style. I got them in my usual size 7, and I would say they fit me to a T. So these are a definite possibility. They were also a cheaper one of the 2. All right, give me a minute and I'll throw on the other flip-flops. Okay, next up are the Franco Sarto flip-flops. I actually like the simpler, cheaper Dolce Vita better. These here, let's see, come a little bit closer for you to see. They're almost like not flexible. They're very stiff on the bottom. So I'm walking around like it's like, you know, and even though there's some cushion on top, and even though it's rubber on the bottom, it's going right through, the cushion is, my foot is going right through to the hard rubber bottom. So it's not much of cushion. And around, like I figured, around my big toe, it's kind of squeezing it. It's a little bit tight. So this is not, to me, it took me like a minute to squish my toe in through there. And I'm looking for something I can just throw on and go. And if I have to fiddle with anything, like getting my toe through this is not what I was looking for. I didn't even realize it when I picked them up that they had the toe thing around there. So when I go pick up my daughter from her job today, the DSW's in that same shopping center, these are gonna go back. They were $50 and I'm not even thrilled about them that much. But I mean, if you like them, there's like nothing wrong with them as far as looks go or anything. They're just not what I was looking for with the toe enclosed like this. It makes it like difficult to put on and it's kind of squeezing my big toe. Okay, next up are the Dolce Vita snakeskin. Okay, these are absolutely gorgeous, and this is where it comes in where fashion takes over function. They're not the most comfortable, okay? They fit, they're not hurting my feet, but I could not walk in these for a long time. These are just meant for let's go out to dinner, or let me just quickly, you know, meet a friend for lunch type of thing. You know, it's not meant for all day shopping. I could even go food shopping in these, but that's about it. They are beautiful. They're gonna be kept because I like them a lot, and they were $60, and I'm pretty happy with that price for Dolce Vita. But they're not the most comfortable. There's not much cushioning, just very little, and the leather right now is stiff. But I love them to death, and I am going to keep them. And let's see, what else can I tell you about them? The heel is not too high for me. I'm used to these kind of heels, even despite the fact I haven't been out of the house in God knows how long. These are the types of heels that I would wear anyway. And I like them that you can just throw them on and just walk in them. So, you know, no buckling or anything like that. And I desperately need a pedicure, and that's about it. So these are keepers, and I think the simple black Dolce Vita flip-flops are keepers. Okay, on to the next. Okay, these are another pair of Vigos jeans. I like them a lot. They fit comfortably. I love the way they fit. Here's the back view of them. They kind of have a straight leg down here at the bottom, but due to my thick calves, they look a little tight, but you can see there's a lot of room here. It's not like a skin tight skinny. okay? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Do I need them? And you know, I just got the ones from Stitch Fix. I haven't purchased them yet, but the dark gray ones. I'm thinking, what should I do with these? I like them. They were cheap. Do I need them? No. Maybe. These are a maybe. I'm gonna try on the mint green ones, and if the mint green ones don't fit, then I'll return them both. If the mint green ones do fit, I'll keep them both. Does that make sense? I like them, but they're just not needed. All right. I'm gonna look at the rear view too of the footage to see how my rear end looks. But these are just so comfortable. I am obsessed with Vigos jeans right now. All right. Give me a minute, and I think the last thing I have for you is the mint green outfit. Okay, ladies, this whole outfit is a no. Skin tight on me. I wanted this shirt for well over a year, and while there's no gaping, well, a little bit of gaping, I don't know if you can see all the buttons are pulling, it is skin tight around me. Skin tight, and you know, I guess that's just the way it is in button-down shirts in me. I just need to size up. The armholes are great. The ruffling, the style of it is great. It is just skin tight across my chest, and I can't wear this. This is obscene. The pants, the jeans, they're damn tight too. Thank God for stretch. So I'm gonna think about the jeans. If I have time next weekend, I might run over to Nordstrom Rack and return them. You can see even up here, they're kind of pulling a little bit. They were very difficult to get on. Oh man, I want new mint green jeans. So if any of you know where I can find a pair of mint green jeans, let me know. I wouldn't want to size up in these because then it would be too big. They're already even too long. You can see the bunching around my knees here. And they're super high rise, and I just don't do well with high rise. I'd rather have mid rise, which hits me at my belly button. High rise goes above my belly button and starts digging into my ribs. So this is a no. I will try the cardigan on over this. No, I would not make this an outfit, but I know this is going back and I'm getting an exchange. Okay, super soft, love the cardigan. It's completely different than what I own. Okay, so it is definitely something I would wear and keep had it not been for the run in the back. So this is going to be packaged up and put in my mailbox today. So I do like the cardigan, not with this outfit obviously, but it is damaged. All right, well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you are new here, I do shopping hauls, unboxings. I don't produce content regularly, but when I do purchase things, I do like to share them with you so you can get an idea of what's out there. Hopefully it helps you. You pick up things here and there from different people, and hopefully it encourages you to find different stores, different name brands, different things. Take care, and until next time.